Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to another edition of Pre-Market Pulse Scan. This Pre-Market Pulse Scan is for trading on Friday, December the 16th, 2016. It is just moments before the opening bell. Let's take a look at what the overnight markets look like. Let's see, gold hit a high of 1138.10 and a low of 1128.50. Last trade is 1135 even. And let me turn off the TV. All right. Let's see here. What else we got? We got silver. Silver hit a high of 1633 and a low of 1597 and a half. Last trade was 1610. And looking at the Dow, hit a high of 19,849 and a low of 19,802. NASDAQ hit 49.48 and a quarter and a low of 49.30.75. Last trade 49.42 even. So not a lot going on. You figure gold's up about $5, silver's up about 15 cents. Market's somewhat muted. Not a lot going on here just because today's Friday. It's Take Back Friday. So normally when the market's been down all week, you'll get a bounce on Fridays. There's profit taking. And conversely, if the market's been up all week, you'll see a slight pullback for profit taking. That sort of thing. Now, Take Back Friday is a phenomenon that happens, but nothing happens 100% of the time. Sometimes there's continuation patterns on Friday. As people who felt like they got left out of the move all week, they want to position themselves for going into the next week. So if you see trade muted and not too much up or down, there's the opening bell. Don't know if you heard that or not, but that's what's up. So as we move forward here, let's see. Taking a look at your pulse waves, as you know, yesterday was a phenomenal day. The system really did well as far as the being long the paper and the gold futures and the gold miners. Really nice. JDST, DGLD really did well. And as far as those runs, I do believe that those runs are over. I believe that the markets are going to pull back and correct today. So I see a pullback in the paper. So that would be JDST and DGLD. I don't see it giving back all the gains, but I just see a pullback possibly in these markets. If you take a look at where we opened on the JDST, it opened at 49.44, and that's where we are now. And so it's down $1.99. Let's see, DGLD opened at $8 even and is now trading at about $8 and almost a penny. So I don't see a continuation pattern playing out at all. We've already opened into the corrective phase here. Let's see, DGLD. Where are we at now? All right, it's down $1.06 at 67.73. So yeah, I just see pulling back, possible inside day for the DGLD JDST, and we'll just have to look ahead to the weekend to see what may be shaking. Taking a look at our rally alerts, and we have some here. We have, let's see, soybeans. For those of you that trade futures, we got a rally in soybeans, a rally alert in DIG, which is the oil. We got a long rally alert in dry ships, which is DRYS. We have, believe it or not, a rally alert in DSLV, a rally alert in FAS. That's FAS. That's the financial 3X ETF. We have a rally alert in GameStop, my favorite favorite store on the planet. We have a rally alert in Gush. We have one in Biotech Bull. We have one, and that's LABU. We have a rally alert in Sugar. A rally alert in bonds, TLT and TMF and TMV. TMF and TMV are at a crossroads with rally and crash alerts simultaneously. We've discussed this in the Academy, what that means. So trade cautiously. We also have a rally alert in UVXY. And we have a rally alert in UWM. and ZSL. So these will be very interesting to watch and see how it plays out. So basically you have a rally alert on the long side of silver and the short side of silver. Very interesting to see as silver is at a crossroads. Is it going to continue to lead or not? We got oversold alerts in the Russell Index and also in the S Dow, which is the inverse Dow. So this is interesting, showing that the markets are oversold here and ready to bounce. So we'll be watching that. The Russell has been the weakest, followed by the NASDAQ as far as in the stock indexes. The strongest have been the Dow and the Nikkei. Let's see, a ton of swing trade alerts, which is your 311. That means we're locked in. And as far as momentum is concerned, that's also locked in. And that's on the long side of the paper for the gold market. So seeing a possible continuation to the downside in gold prices despite any bounce that you may see today. In other words, all rallies are going to be crushed. So anyhow, I'm going to be adding some additions to the sheet as well. And Lord willing, this weekend, I'm going to be adding some additional tabs. I want to add a special tab for newbies, people who are very new to the whole trading thing. This is going to make things very easy for you to be able to see what you need to see and understand it immediately and know what it is you need to do. Also, I'm going to be adding another tab on there too. So just be prepared for some pretty exciting things coming down the pipe. Anyway, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I hope everyone has a safe and blessed weekend. I'm on my way out of town, so peace.